If your emails aren't getting read, it's not your audience, it's your email. But don't worry, I've got a simple framework that will have people excited to open and read your emails. Most business owners think they just need to send more emails, but the real secret? Writing emails people actually want to open. Today I'm breaking down exactly how to do that. Most emails get ignored because they feel boring, overwhelming, or irrelevant. But with a few small tweaks, you can turn your emails into something your audience actually looks forward to. In this video, I'll break down the 5 key elements of engaging emails, show you real before and after examples, and even give you a quick email writing exercise at the end so you can apply this right away. And if you want even more help writing high converting emails, grab my Ultimate Subject Line Playbook. I'll drop the link in the description. All right, let's dive in. Tip number 1, make it feel personal. Write like you're talking to a friend, not some corporate robot. Use their name when you can, but more importantly, write with warmth, personality, and in a conversational tone. Shoot for no higher than a 7th grade reading level. And imagine your reader is sitting across from you in a coffee shop. How would you naturally say something to them? Here's what not to do. Dear valued customer, we are pleased to announce our upcoming sale. Instead, try, hey Sarah, I had to tell you first, your favorite mascara is finally back in stock. If you want more email writing tips, grab my Ultimate Subject Line Playbook. The link's in the description. All right, tip number 2, get to the point fast. Most people take way too long to get to the good stuff in their emails. Your audience is busy, and if they don't see something interesting in the first 2 lines, they are gone. So cut the fluff. No, I hope this email finds you well. Start with the hook. Why should they care? Use short sentences. Don't do this. I wanted to take a moment to reach out and share some exciting updates about our company. Instead, do this. Quick heads up. We just dropped a huge bonus inside your account. Go check it out. Comment nope if you've ever opened an email and immediately hit delete because it was way too long. All right, tip 3, make it easy to scan. Most people don't read emails, they scan them. So if your email looks like a giant wall of text, good luck. Use short paragraphs, 1 to 2 sentences max. Add bullet points to break things up, and make key phrases bold so they pop. So here's a before. Our new course is designed to help small business owners streamline their marketing efforts, increase revenue, and attract more customers through email. This course includes multiple modules covering various strategies, techniques, and actionable steps. Lovely. But here's the after. Want more sales from email? Our new course covers how to write emails people love to open, the 3-part formula for high converting email sequences, real examples and templates you can copy. See what I did there? The second version is way easier to read. If you're loving these email marketing tips, you're gonna love my upcoming book, Email Marketing Sales Made Simple. It's packed with done-for-you templates and strategies to help you increase sales through email. Keep an eye out, it's dropping soon. All right, 4, give them a reason to keep reading. Why should your reader care about this email? What's in it for them? Instead of just saying, hey, we have a sale, try making them curious like this. What if I told you that you could get 20% off right now? No waiting, no gimmicks, just click here. And bonus, tell them a short relevant story. Here's an example of that. Last month, I tested 2 different email subject lines. One got a 15% open rate, the other 43%. The crazy part, the second subject line was only 2 words. Want to know what they were? Keep reading. See how that really pulls the reader in? Try adding a short story to your next email to help illustrate a point, and let me know in the comments how it works out for you. Tip 5, end with 1 clear call to action. People won't take action if they don't know what you want them to do. So instead of ending with, let me know what you think, try these bangers. Hit reply and tell me the biggest struggle you have with your dry skin. Click here to grab your free honeymoon travel guide. Watch this next video on subject lines that get clicks. Speaking of subject lines, if you need help writing ones that get your emails opened, check out this video right here. And bonus tip, your 60-second email fix. So before we wrap up, I want you to take 1 minute to apply what we just talked about. Step 1, open your last email campaign. Step 2, read the first 2 lines. Did they hook the reader? Step 3, if not, rewrite it using one of today's tips. Comment done once you've fixed an email. I want to hear how it goes. If you found this helpful, You're gonna love my next video on how to write sales emails that convert. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next week.